Hello boys and girls, and it's time to get our sound cards out again. Now I know what you're thinking. These don't look like the sound cards that Mrs. McFadden was using, and they don't look like yours, do they? Because Mrs. McFadden went into school today with her sound cards, and then when she went home she thought, I think I've forgotten something. And what had I forgotten? My sound cards. So they are sitting in school. I'll get them tomorrow, but in the meantime I've made some. So what I've done is I've taken some old card and I have recycled it and reused it, and I have used it to make sound cards. So these used to be Christmas cards, look, Christmas cards. So I'm reusing them as sound cards. And there's one here that's a slightly different colour. Let's see what it was before. Ice lollies, yummy. But now it's a D. Oh, and this one makes me laugh. When we turn over our N sound, here, it's one of the three kings. But where's his friends? Hold on. Here we are. Back together again. The three kings. But enough of that. We have to get on with practicing our sounds. Now, some of the words I ask you to make may be the same as I've asked you before, because we don't really know a word by just making it once. We have to keep doing it over and over again to make sure it's in our head. So some of the words today will be new words, and some of them will be ones you've done over the past few days. Now, today we're using our SAT and our PIN, SATPIN, and we're using our M and our D, and D. Now I know we have some other letters as well, and we will be using those along with these in week 6. So keep them all safe, keep all of these cards and the other ones safe over midterm break, because we will be using them again in week 6. So don't let the dog eat them or anything like that. Okay, so let's get started. And the first word I want you to make is pat. Pat. P-a-t. Pause the video now. Okay, did you get it? P-a-t. Pat. Okay, the next word I want you to make is pit. Pit. And pit is can be a hole in the ground. Or a sand pit. Have you ever been in a sand pit? Okay, so the word is pit. Pause the video now. Did you get it? P-I-T. Pit. And remember, if we took the P away, we have the word it. Look at it. We put the P on, the P on, and we get pit. Now, the next word I want you to make is tip, like the tip of a pencil. Or what my children's toy room looks like at the minute, a complete tip. Pause the video now. Okay, did you get it? I'm going to make it now, and I'm going to make it by swapping the P and the T. Those two are going to change places. And now I have tip. How easy is that? Okay, your next word is tin. Tin. Pause the video now. And there it is. T-I-N. Tin. Can anybody see a word hidden inside tin? In. So if we took the T away, we would have the word in. I play in the garden. But when we put the T on, it becomes T-in. Tin. Okay, your next word is sin. And sin is when you do something wrong. And we'll be learning more about that as we prepare for first penance, won't we? So can you make the word sin? Sin. Pause the video now. There we go, sin. Again, it has in hidden inside it. In. And we add our in. Sin. Okay, let's try one more. Okay, so this time your word is pad. Pad, like a notepad that you might write on. Pad, p-ad. Pause the video now. And here we have pad, p-a-d. Pad. Very good. Okay, boys and girls, I'm off to clean this toy room because it's a complete tip. And it makes me feel and talk to you soon. Bye bye.